How to select any property in real estate business as an investor. Yes, you heard it right. This video is all about a process of selecting a right property for your investment. Whenever you are planning to buy a property for investment, you have to remember that there are certain points what we have to follow. Before this, we have made two videos. One is related with benefits of buying under construction property and disadvantages of buying under construction property. And one video is benefits of buying a ready possession property, immediately available property, and disadvantages of buying immediately available property. After watching those two videos, when you want to take decision for your own property, these are the steps that will help you to become a successful investor. Hi dear friends, I am Dr. Amol Mourya, real estate coach, real estate trainer, real estate author. Welcome to Real Estate University, and with the help of the research what we have done with more than 1000 investors across the country, we have found that there are certain points that you have to consider before buying any property. The first important point is purpose. What is the purpose of your investment? Based on your purpose, you can take a decision that which property is best for you, an under construction property or a ready possession property. For example, your purpose is to earn a rental income, or your purpose is to avoid the rent what you are paying at a particular place if you are living, and if you want to buy a particular property for your residential use. In that case, search for a property which is available in next 3 months, 6 months, almost a ready possession property or a full ready possession property, so you can save your money in the rent what you are paying to a landlord. And with the help of the same money, you can pay the EMI as well. No doubt your EMI would be more than your rent, but your contribution in EMI would be less. At least rent will contribute 50%, 60% of your EMI. So this is one example. If you are looking for a property for recurring revenue, selling that property in the next 10 years, 15 years is not your aim. Your aim is to get a recurring revenue rent from that property. In that case, you can go for either a ready possession property or an under construction property as well, where you can get a good appreciation in under construction property till possession, and after possession you can get a rent as well. These are the things you have to decide internally before taking any decision related with buying a property. I am giving you just the case studies and the example. Point number 2, urgency. If you need property as soon as possible, if suppose you want to shift your home and you are in hurry, you are in urgency, in that case ready possession property is best for you. Because you never know if the under construction promise to deliver that project by a builder is 3 years, but if it might take 4 years or 4.5 years, it might be possible. So in that case, buying a ready possession property is better option for you. But if you are not in hurry, if you feel that I can wait for 3 years, 4 years down the line, I am an investor, I don't have to go there, I don't have to live there, in that case, under construction property is the best option for you for investment. Dear friends, if you have watched this video till point number 2, before watching point number 3, I want to say do hit on subscribe button and bell icon. We don't want you to miss important upcoming videos in the future. Point number 3, financial situation. This is also a very important part or thing when you go for buying a property. So if you have ready availability of finances, if you know that you have the down payment, you don't need too much period for giving payment to a builder, that in that case you can go for a ready possession property. But if your financial situation is weak, right now you don't have so much money, but you are sure that in the future 1 year, 1.5 year, 2 year, 2.5 years, your FD is getting matured, you are getting amount from insurance or whatever, through whatever way, if you are getting some amount, in that case you can go for a under construction property. So you can get 3 years, 4 years based on the payment plan of the builder. In that case, you have to check the payment plan of the builder. What are the situations you are getting? How strict is the builder? Is they are charging any interest on the delayed payment and all? So based on your financial situation, if your financial situation is very strong, you can go for ready possession property. If your financial situation is not that strong, but you are sure that in future you can get money through various sources, so you can go for a under construction property. In that case, you can get better returns. Point number 4, customization. If you want to change property based on your view, based on your vision, on the basis of which you are buying a property, in that case under construction property is best for you, because ready possession property you get hardly any chances to do internal customization, internal changes. Even if you are looking for a property for living, and if you know that now only the RCC structure is ready, the internal walls are not ready, that is the best time to buy a property. So based on purpose, urgency, financial situation and the customization of the property, you can take various decisions. If a human being can take a right decision at the right time, he can become a wonderful investor. This video is very useful for you to earn good amount of money in future. If you have watched all the points till the customization, comment below that which point you have missed before, or whenever you have bought a property in the past, which point you have not considered. Do comment it below so that we'll know in which topics you want us to make videos in the future. So if you are a regular investor and if you are looking for an expert, a coach to guide you, you can contact on our number, or in the description you will get a form about real estate game changer investor. You can fill that form. If our team selects you, in that case you'll get a clarity call worth 50,000 free of cost. Normally we charge 50,000 for the one-to-one clarity call, but if you get selected, your profile gets selected, I'll do a one-to-one clarity call with you. Thank you so much for liking our video. Thank you so much for making a book Real Estate Game Changer national bestseller book, and thank you so much for giving so much love to our videos.